Wondering where I'd be if we stayed the night. They all at that party, yeah, but I don't mind. Cause I bought a hot pocket at the 7-Eleven. Come on, let's do it again, I'll do it over again. Just to stay in this moment with you. Under the moon.
Tomatoes. Yeah, okay. And that's when the yeah, but